Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to start a new chart on Deepseek. Now let us say, as you can see here, I have a lot of questions on this one I've asked, and as you can see they are all, they are different questions. They are all stored under the same history, which is this how to make money. Let's say I want to start a new one so I can have access to that particular topic. So you can do that by clicking on this one here, new chart here, or at the top, new chart. So it has opened up a new history for me. Now I can ask the question I wanted to ask. I don't use the deep think, I just want to ask a question. For example, how old is Earth? Then you can press send. So it will give you the answer and to be under a different history from the previous questions that I've been asking. It's not clear your chart, you're just keeping it in different sections. Like over here, I already have the first question I asked, how to make money. So now I'm asking how old is Earth. I'm sorry about my network. Yeah, my internet connection isn't that good. Otherwise, my answer will be here by now. Because it's really fast, actually. So, you can start a new chart this way, easily. So if I want to start another new chart, simply do the same thing. Tap on new charts down here. Here. You can see it's right here or up here to start a new chart. And if you want to use Deepseek, you can simply turn it on at the bottom here. That's it, turn it on so it can at least show you how it's thought process it's used to get your answer. So like I said, I'm really sorry about my internet connection. It's kind of, as you can see, server is busy. Try again later. So let's see if we can try again. So sorry about that, but I'm sure I guess a lot of people trying to get answers through Deepseek. So let's see if it will work again. Yeah, it has. How old is Earth? And it has given me the answer. So now if I check my history, I have two. How old is Earth and how to make money. So that's it. It's a good way to keep track of everything you search so you can easily tap on the exact one you wanted.